Hi, I'm Jonathan Bennett, and I'd like to introduce you to our team here on Alabama's beautiful Gulf Coast. We are so excited about living here, and we're pumped about helping you with any and all of your real estate needs. We may even see you at the beach. We know the neighbors. We are the neighbors. But there's always room for one more. And we're here when you need us. We're a team, but we're also family and friends. Whether it's my mom, Michele Bennett, my brother, Pierce Bennett, or good family friends, Alice Harper, or George Mothershed. We can help with the whole process. And we love helping others achieve their visions of the beach life. Whether it's a primary home, a secondary home, or even your first investment property, house, condo, or new build, we do it all. And we'd love to show you around. Feel free to contact us, whether you're looking to buy or sell, or you just need to run the numbers and get your feet wet. Jonathan Bennett with Century 21, Meyer Real Estate. Thank y'all and have a good day.